What's up? Here we are back again with another video. So here I am in California. It's been about 3 weeks of shelter in place. I've been trying not to leave my place at all. All right, at all. When I mean at all, I mean at all. And I just got notice that the state of California needs to shelter in place for another month. So I've been getting a question a lot pretty recently, and that is Amazon FBA still a viable business model, even when it comes to this economic crisis? And so I want to take the time to make you a quick video on this. Now, news reports just stated that there are over 6 million people who have now filed for unemployment. 6 million people out of jobs in the US, okay? Um, Here I am sitting in this backyard, and I have Wi-Fi connection and a laptop. And that's all I need to show you what I'm able to do in my Amazon business, okay? So this example that I'm going to give you on the power of having an Amazon FBA business, even now in this economic time, I'm going to show you one product, right? And it's not going to be some savage product that's selling thousands or hundreds a day. Maybe like 14 sales a day, okay? I'm going to show you this one product selling in probably the hardest hit economic country right now, and that is in Italy, okay? Because I sell in marketplaces all over the world, okay? And also with this product, third, it is not an essential product. It's not like some like health item or something like this. It's more like actually a giftable product. So we combine all that together, and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here we are in Shopkeeper, and Shopkeeper is my profit and loss tool of choice. It tracks the margins, it tracks PPC, everything like that. And if you want 2 free months of Shopkeeper trial, go ahead, click the link in the description below. Okay, so here we have March 29th, just a couple days ago, and you can see here I have clicked here just the Italy market, and we just have one product. So this product, I only sold 14 units, and it made $89. Now, if we drop this breakdown, we can see here that it says that I spent $32 on PPC. All right, and we can see that is broken down by 1, 2, 3, 4 different campaigns. Okay, so $32 in PPC, 14 units sold, $89 profit. Well, let's extend this out to 4 days. Okay, here we have 4 days, and we are at $549 profit, 71 units total sold. And we do our breakdown again. We can see how much I spent on PPC in 4 days. I spent $126, and again, we drop this down. This is in 1, 2, 3, 4 different campaigns. All right, so these numbers, this $549 profit, is including PPC, including every other cost. So if we do some simple math here with this product, okay, if we divide this by 4, right, that's over $100 profit every single day. And this, if we multiplied it by 365, which is how many days in a year, this is close to like $50,000 profit in a year from one product in the marketplace that is the worst hit during this economic crisis. And it's not an essential like health product that people are like, I have to have it. Now imagine now we fast forward, and what if I had this product, which I do, in Spain, Italy, Germany, UK, US, Canada, right? And that's just one of my 120 products. You can start to see the power in having an Amazon FBA business. Because with this small example, this is something tangible that you can see. Hey, I don't have to have a product that sells hundreds a day. I don't have to even sell in the most, traffic marketplace, which is the US. Yet you can still have a full-time income. And what do I have? All I need is Wi-Fi access, which I have here, and a laptop sitting out in this backyard, continuing to run my business while over 6 million people are filing for unemployment, and over $5 trillion has been lost in the stock market. So is Amazon still a viable business model? I would say absolutely. It's not only viable, it's an excellent business model during this time. If you want to learn from myself and a bunch of others who are totally killing it right now, click the link in the description. If you want a free 2 months subscription to Shopkeeper to track your profit and loss, again, a link in the description. Anyways, you guys, don't go out, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.